What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you're just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, let me just say I was not expecting anything like this until like later down the line, but nevertheless I am truly grateful to know that my channel is a very small one and this company took the time out of their busy schedule to reach out to me and to say, hey, they came across my channel, they like what I'm doing on my channel, so they'd like to send me some items. For me, I feel like that's a blessing, point blank, period. The name of this company is RosFancy. I will be putting the link to their website in my description box so you can go ahead and check them out. It is not a lot of clothing, guys. It is actually 4 items, and yes, I am still grateful. Let me give you guys a little backstory. So as I said before, the company reached out to me. They said that they wanted to send me 4 items. They sent me the link to their website and they made me pick the 4 items that I wanted. So if you've watched my previous clothing haul, you'll know that I am a person of size. I am on the thinner side of life, so certain things I don't go about wearing. So I've mentioned in my previous clothing hauls as well that I'm more of a dress type of girl or a set type of girl. So of course, when I got the website, I went on there and the dress that I saw, they weren't really my type of dress. So of course, I'm going to go on and search for sets. So the sets that I saw, I chose 2 sets. So that is of course what made up my 4 items. So yeah, enough of the chit chatting from me. Let me go on ahead and show you guys these sets. Okay, so this first set that I have is this baby blue crop top outfit. It has ruffles on the side and the material is just perfect. It is not too thin and it is not too thick. I really love this. Okay, so this second set that I have is this tie and dye t-shirt outfit. It is actually a t-shirt with a knee-high biker tights. The material is great. I really love this as well. Guys, don't forget that sets are versatile because with that one set you have a lot of other outfits can get from it because you can mix and match the top with different bottoms that you have, and you can also mix and match the bottom with different tops that you have. That is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your continuous love and support. If you haven't already, please remember to click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.